this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2009 Mazda 3 SP25 hatch, stock reference number 5721. This shape runs from the 4th month 2009 through to the 6th month 2013. It has an L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the bonnet, has no damage, tidy front bumper cover, right hand headlight, light sun cracks, right fog light, left fog light, left headlight, also light sun cracks, left guard has no damage, left power door mirror, non-power fold indicator type, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate spoiler type, no damage, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right hand side skirt, right rear door has one small dent, right front door has one small dent, right power door mirror has paint fade indicated, non-power fold type, right guard, no damage, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, manual type center console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, 6-stack CD player, display cluster, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio, phone and nav buttons.